Yes. So, yes, Sagar, are you here? Since morning, where were you? We were missing you a lot.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, thank you for welcoming.
Okay.
How are you, Parul?
Thanks. Yes, I'm good. Thanks for asking. Praveen, he also came after after a long day. I would
Okay,
say yes. Okay, so how was your day, by the way?
going good. I'm a little busy.
Yeah, you must be busy with enjoying Christmas, right?
No, not a Christian.
No, it's okay. If you are not Christian, it's okay. But still, we are getting chance to enjoy with them, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah,
Because India is
right.
a diversity country, right? We have to accept all the, festival, whether it is Christian,
Yeah,
Hindu, Muslim, doesn't matter, right? We should
of course.
adore
Yeah.
it. Yeah, sure, sure. Okay, so we are here discussing, right? Praveen, he gave one topic, and it is if you will get 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees. What was the question? Could you repeat?
Yeah, yeah. If you got a 1 lakh rupees salary, normally
Hmm.
you are waking up at 6 o'clock. But
Hmm.
if the job is require to wake up at around 4. You will do it or not?
Hmm. Okay, so I told yes because I will get some money, and that money will motivate me, right? And I'm ready to do. Sure. So, what is your perception, Sagar?
It's a hypothetical thing.
Yeah, hypothetically, yes, but it's still you have to take your thought. What is your take on it?
Okay, let me think. Ask, please sit instead. Please sit down.
Please sit down. I'm lying on bed.
Hi, please sit down. How are you?
She's busy. She or he?
She. I think she's from. Uh, just before that, I connected with her. I think she must be getting network issue. I don't know exactly. Okay, so I would like to listen from your side, Praveen. Would you like to explain?
The same question.
Yeah, yeah, same. Otherwise, if you have others, then yeah. Otherwise, I want to ask you other question. What do you think about introvert and extrovert? Being extrovert is good or not? Would you like to explain?
By the way,
I
I'm out
will.
for the question. I'm out.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I'm out. I'm out.
Yeah, what happened?
I'm out for the question which asked by Praveen.
Praveen, which question you were asking? If you one second. What happening, Sagar? It was simple, right?
Okay, we'll move to some other topic. Paru, you said something right now. Introvert, extrovert. Which one is better? You
Oh,
said.
he's getting network issue actually. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I was asking that because these days we are too talkative, right? Because on the pretext of learning English,
Mm,
we are here, right? We are
mm,
talking. This is a different thing, but by the nature, if we are talkative person, right, extrovert,
mm,
right?
mm,
So,
mm.
what do you think? It is good for us. Otherwise, being introvert, it is good. Yeah, ambiguous,
Okay,
it is good.
I got it. Your question. I will answer later. First, I'll give you the option. Can you guess me?
Hmm.
I'm introvert or extrovert?
Okay, so I would say that you are introvert person, but for the sake of speaking, you are here, right?
Okay, I'm introvert only. I will guess yours. I think you are also introvert.
Actually, for the sake of English, I'm speaking too much. I would say that, right? But yeah, earlier I was introvert person, but ever since
No,
I
no,
have
no,
been
not
doing
here.
job,
Not here. Your basic nature. Whenever we are going work or you are going out, that time you will
yeah, I'm
be.
introvert. Introvert. Yeah.
here
I'm reserved.
here here we have come out from the mindset we have to learn something, so we are trying to extrovert. That's why we can mingle with everyone. We are trying to learn much
Yeah.
things from others. That's why we are
Yeah.
try to mingle with everyone, right? I will say,
Okay.
apart from learning uh, learning learning applications and other social medias, I will be
Hmm.
say uh, introvert is, it will be good for working culture. I will split this option. Okay, introvert
Mhm.
working uh, workplaces, introverts, it seems to be good for my experience, but
Mhm.
outside extrovert, it will be good. But one
Okay.
more thing, you should not
Mhm.
you should not lose your words. You have to think and talk whom you are surrounding with, which content you have to talk, which information you have to hide. That and all you have to think and talk. Outside, wherever it is, that should be there. But office, if you maintain small circle, that will be good
Hmm.
for you.
Yeah.
I'm
Being an
confused your question.
introvert. Yeah, yeah. No, no, you are not confusing. So being an introvert, how it is possible we can mingle with them, we can get along with them, right? Because just we have limited word, we have limited thought, right? We don't want to, I mean, talk too much to others. So at that time, it will be difficult for them, right?
No, but as a see a introvert, you're not required to share your personal things to others. Okay, you're not required to your official plan or official work to some others. It will they will gossips, they will spread some negativity about you. That time you have to maintain your secrets. That time you have to maintain your small circle. See here in
Hmm.
office, I know they will adapt you. If who are want to highlight the person, if it's a 10 members, already they are
Hmm.
in the top one or two three people, they will itself adapt they will itself adapt 2 3 person. They
Hmm.
will whatever they take decisions, you also have to take like that. They will keep it in your subsidiaries. Okay, so if someone, if manager want to take any decision, they will not approach you. They will ask, okay, your friend or your the mini gang boss, they will ask. So
Hmm.
you will not highlight in you will not highlight that point. One more thing, you
Hmm.
will not learn new things from also. They will restrict in the small group. If see here, introvert also, you can learn everything from everyone, but if you join the small group, you cannot learn.
Hmm.
You have to talk to everyone officially or professionally to everyone, but you should not uh, friendly with every anyone much. One or two is fine, but if
Hmm.
you're friendly with everyone, they will utilize you. They will utilize your skill. They will utilize their thought. They will utilize yours.
Okay. Hmm. But I
Um,
think, yeah,
Mm.
let's
If it is
complete.
introvert
Hmm.
also, you want a fun. You have to learn from others. You have to talk. If you're going out some funny events, or if you're going to a trip, that time you have to assign the time to talk to someone. So you need to get information. You need to get other thoughts as well, but it should not influence you. Whenever you want, that time you have to join the groups,
Hmm.
like trip, like travels, like any
Hmm.
functions, festivals. That time also, if you're staying alone, people will think, what this person is not even smiling, he is not even mingling.
Hmm.
That is also, it will create a negative impact.
Hmm. Yeah, I agree. But as for example, I'm an introvert and I'm getting chance to go for trip or hiking, whatever, right? But I'm not able to mingle with you. I'm not able to mingle with our group, right? So at the time I'm sitting and I'm scrolling my mobile and I'm just having something and just I'm feeling lonely, right? But I'm happy myself, right? With myself. But what people would think about us, right? About me,
Yes,
because
yes,
they
that
would
time
see like a bit
you
awkward, right?
you should
Yeah.
not you should not block your mindset. I will not talk. I will not mingle with anyone. You should not block that way. You have to talk little bit. You should not allow to take too much of advantage from you, but you should allow to limit to talk what you are doing, like that. What you are doing, what is your next plan, like that. Simply you have to talk around 5 to 10 lines. If someone is also alone, then you have to grow the conversation, but some point you have to cut the conversation also. You should not keep on continue. If someone is joined the group, okay, let them talk. You have to move. If you like feeling alone, if someone is also sitting nearby, you have to talk to something. Then see here, if you are introvert, that character itself, you will get lot of opponents, lot of enemies. Okay. uh, even I know how it will be, how others will think. But when you try to talk someone, or you have to talk at least 2 minutes to, if someone is alone, that time you have to talk means, uh, if it is within a 1 month, he will say hi bye to the 10 member of group. Then they will think he's introvert also, he's not bad. Whenever he want, he's discussing with us, he's asking our opinion, like that. That minimum discussion should need.
Got it. I mean, you want to say that we should be reserved. I mean, introvert. But where should we have to speak? At that time, we have to speak it out, right? I
Yes, you
mean,
should not
we
avoid
should be
anyone.
logical.
uh, you
We
should
should
not
not
avoid
avoid
anyone.
anyone.
Hmm. If
So at that time, we might get more response and reverence from others as well, right?
Mm-hmm. See,
Yeah,
in
respect. I mean,
everyone,
yeah.
everyone in office or some other places, you should not avoid. Someday they need for your help, or you need for their help. It's not happening also. But whenever you meet a person, you have to smile. You have to talk. Say hi, bye. Nothing will be bad. If they have bad opinion about you also, whenever if you're meeting that person, say hi, bye. If you're meeting the first time, have to say hi, hello. If you say like that means, they will ignore your their mindset. They will take something your about you, some bad opinion, right? They will erase it.
Hmm.
Opinion
Okay.
anyway, we are not going to take it up. But even though, we have to show, if you are introvert also, you have to show, I'm open to talk, but I will be in the limit. You have to say. But you should not show us, no, 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 I'm not even ready to talk anybody. That will grow your learning, that will block your learning as well. See here, if it is small,
Hmm.
small thing also, you don't need to talk them. But if you observe someone, you will get some informations. Might be others' mistake also. You can learn some things. So the mistake itself, you should be in the part of group, right? Then only you get to know. Okay, this mistake is done. Someone we should not do.
Exactly. And if we are like taking initiative, such type of, I mean, atmosphere and group trips, whatever, so we are getting more chance to learn to upgrade ourselves, right? For example,
Hmm.
I'm not a talkative person. I'm an introvert person, right? But I have to take a help from you, right? So until I ask from you, okay, hi Praveen, how should I complete it? Please give me your, I mean, help and whatever. So you will get ready to help me, right? Otherwise, until I ask, you would not know about me what I needed, right?
That is
Correct.
there. You already have your
It's
mind.
so simple.
Yes,
Huh.
yes. You already know the person, right? If you're there in 1 month, you'll get to know that people are ready to help you or not. If they are not ready to help, or if they're not ready to share, let them. We have to.
Uh,
We have to
yeah.
sit idle. That is not a problem.
Yeah, and I would like to mention one thing here, Praveen. For example, I'm an introvert and I'm not talking to you, just hello and hi. But when I have to complete my work project, whatever is given right to me, so
Hmm.
at that time I'm going to you and otherwise others as well. I'm asking, so at that time they might think towards me, she or he is very selfish person, right? At that time people would not ready to help us. Am I right?
Yes, yes. See here,
Yeah,
even
you are
I will
self-centered
not
person. Yeah.
I will not talk too much on others, but I'm thinking myself I have to change a few my sides. See, I'm
Hmm.
also introvert. I will not talk too much to everyone. Even
Hmm.
they have negative opinion. They will create a group, whatever they want. They will do it. But I will keep on. I will think, okay, it should not good for us. We have to change little bit, like that. We should be approachable. We should not be approachable. If you are part of going work, if you're part of any places, you should be the
Hmm.
approachable person. That is the only point. You don't need to talk
Hmm.
every time. You don't need to go and talk. You don't need to get the help from others. But
Hmm.
you should be approachable whenever you want to talk to them. You have to connect. You should have the little connections with them.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Okay. By the way, your explanation was good, and really, it's very difficult, right? Being introvert to mingle to other and
even
make our
even
environment. Yeah.
even it is even for mine it is very difficult. But see here, one more thing,
Hmm.
I'm realizing it's myself itself. It is
Mm-hmm.
correct or not, I don't know. I will think few will be in opposite group, but whenever we
Hmm.
meet, they will talk very nicely. that that
Hmm.
time alone I will think, oh, I'm only thinking very wrong perception about that person, like that I will think. It is correct or not, I don't know. But even though I will not mingle with him.
Okay. I don't know. It is. It should be correct. Why you are thinking it's not correct, by the way?
No, because of their behavior, they will maintain a
Hmm.
distance. Whoever gossiping us,
Hmm.
they will have the good connection with that group.
Hmm.
Okay, but they will nicely talk to us also. We
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
judge
It's
them.
happened.
They are in the opposite group, or they are middle, or they have good opinion about us. It's the 3 point
Hmm.
we cannot figure it out from that few persons. But even though if we if I figure it the person, then also I will maintain a distance. If I figure it
Hmm.
out, they are opposite person, then also I will maintain distance. If
Hmm.
I'm unable to figure, might be
Hmm.
they are part of this group or that group, then also I will maintain I will maintain a distance. I cannot able to
Hmm.
judge, then also I will maintain a distance.
Yeah. Agree.
If we
Agree.
have the good
It's